vocabulary a great deal. We took a look, for example, at the shorish, the three-letter root bo, which means to come. We can apply a binyan called hifil, which is a causative, and create the word havi. From bo, we can get havi, which means to bring. Likewise, we have the word, that's not a great one. This is a nice one. Gala, which means...
Are you sharing?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think I am. Okay. That would help, right? The 7 Benyanym are each assigned a branch on the menorah. It's a very nice visual. Each binyan has certain grammatical characteristics. For example, we have pa'al, which is the first binyan that we learn. And it is an active form, which means that it takes a subject. So Vinitha ate the fish, or Subi swam in the lake, or Dan chopped some wood. It's an active form. On the very end of the other end of the spectrum, we have what's called a passive form, where the subject is not explicit. The boy was struck, God forbid. The boy was struck. Was struck. Who struck him, we don't know. That's the key to passive, is there's a subject that's not identified. The boy was struck. The active would be a man struck the boy. You see what I'm saying? So we have active and passive verbal forms. We have 3 passive binyanim, nifal, pu'al, and hufal. And then we have 3 active, pa'al, pi'el, and hifil. And we're going to give plenty of attention to every one of these over time. This is just in the way of an introduction to whet your appetite for these binyanim. Then we have the heat pa'el, which is known as a reflexive form. Does anybody know what we mean by reflexive? Reflexive means it's coming back onto ourselves, or else it's coming back and forth between 2 people. I telephoned my friend, or I spoke with my friend on the telephone. Anachnu mitpalalim. We spoke with one another. Okay, that sort of thing. Or ani mitpalel, I pray. That happens to be a reflexive form. Mitpalel is to pray. What's another example? The friends connected with one another. Hachaverim hitkashru ze im ze. Hitkashru, they connected one with another. This is known as reflexive condition in grammar. So we'll learn how to form reflexive verbs out of our shorshim. So welcome to the world of binyanim. This is actually going to be one of the topics in our new curriculum for our more advanced readers, to continue to challenge our more advanced readers in their studies, and to, introduce more and more meaning into the class, as opposed to strictly reading. At the same time, please do welcome new readers and let new readers know about our program, because now we have qualified teachers that can bring our new readers along, even as we address some of these more advanced subjects. Having said all that, let us take a look at a verse from Samuel. And Joseph, I'll ask you to lead us in our traditional method, which is to read the shorshim and then define those shorshim in the verse. Joseph, kindly, if you could lead us in that exercise.
Yes, the first word, which means come, is read as bo.
Well done.
And in the verse, it is in the first line, the first word, which is read as vayavo.
Very nice. Well done. How about the next word?
The next word, which means say, is read as amar.
Nice. I think we have 2 instances of that shorish.
The first instance is in the second line, the second word, and is read as vayomer.
Well done. Beautiful. Do you see another instance?
Another instance is in the third line, the first word, and is read as amar.
Nice. The next word, kindly, in our vocabulary.
The next vocabulary word here, that means reveal, is read as gala.
Right. And where do we find? I think we have 2 instances in our verse.
Gala, first instance, is found in the third line, the second last word, which is read as honiglo.
Very nice. Haniglo.
Haniglo. Okay, the kataf patach makes a sound.
Right. It's only the chataf kamatz that changes to the O sound.
Okay, nice.
Right.
So it is haniglo.
Right.
The other instance here is in the third line, the last word, which has no the silent hey.
Yeah.
And is read as nigleti.
Very nice. Nigleti. I revealed. Or it was right. It was revealed by me, Nigleti. Very nice. Now this is a challenging one. The last one, Joseph, our friend Hava.
Okay. The last vocabulary word, which means exist, it can be read as who.
Actually, Hava. I'm sorry. I should have given that over to you. Hava.
Hava.
Right.
Okay. Hava.
And we'll even stick a dagish in there just for fun. Now this is going to be a tricky one, brother. I do have a red clue for you, so you should be able to find it.
It doesn't have the red, okay? Hava.
It does have red, right?
It does have.
Yeah, there is a red letter there that relates to that shorish. The second last line.
Yes, I see it. The second last line, the last word, is read as Biheyotam.
Nice.
Biheyotam.
It felt like the voice of God coming down to us and giving us that pronunciation. But it was beautiful. It was beautiful. And yours was also well done, Joseph. So this one means in their being. Bihiotam b'mitzrayim. It's referring to the time when the Jews and the leaders of the Jews were enslaved in Egypt. Bihiotam b'mitzrayim. In their existence in Egypt. We have sort of run out of time, but very nice presentation, Joseph. We can pronounce the verse next time. I'm so tempted. Let's just go over a minute or two and hear the verse in its entirety. I think everybody would enjoy that. Gideon, do you want to give over the pronunciation of the full verse?
Yes.
Okay.
Vayavo ish Elohim el Eli vayomer Elav ko Amar Yehovah Hanglo neglects el beit negleti el beit avika bihiotam.
Nice.
B'mitzrayim levet paro.
Very nice. And a man of God came to Eli and said to him, "Thus says God, I revealed myself to your fathers when they were in Egypt, in the house of Pharaoh." Very nice. Well done. Let me just take a quick census and thank everybody for great work tonight. I'm especially welcoming our newest student, Samuel.